Hello everyone, welcome back to this particular channel, and today in this particular video I wanted to share you the couple of insights yesterday, like in part 4 we discussed all about how things will work and how the use case will work and all, right, in Excel part. Okay, so in this particular video I will just give you the overview of insights. Uh, this is nothing all about. Okay, so you can just check it out, Excel project. So how things is working, it is this video will be very short and crisp. Okay, so you can just have a look of, it's not a part 5, just a summary of all about it, so make you understand how the things works and all about. So let me show you the one worksheet, so that you will be understanding the lot of stuff, lot of aspect here. So I will explain you that. No worries in that. Okay, all right. Okay, so here we have this particular thing, right? Let's say here pin pivot. Let's say we take this particularly. Here, if you just select here more colors, there is a custom here, correct? You will be able to see here hex color, right? Hex value. So you can just change and check another particular values here. Let's say here this is a color. This is what, let's say you wanted to find it UI color picker. You can just have search in a Google, so you will get it. Okay. Yes, so here what you will be able to see is, what I did is simple thing. I just go to this home and go over here. If you want a default, like I will not say this color itself. If you want any custom color, let's say if you want, just find it on the Google, just have a hex color, hex code, and add it here. So the hex code will be appear here. Alright folks, so you can just, I'm just giving an overview all about like how you can just change your themes, coloring, patterns, all about. So let's say if I'm just copying here, okay, I'm just copy this particular color and I will just go to the dashboard. Alright, so I'm just giving you like what kind of a themes you can just practice, all those things. Okay, in this particular video, that is what whole overview I need to share here in this particular video. Okay, so we'll continue that. So we'll be gonna explain you a lot of sense, so you practice it, then come back, so that makes more sense and more valuable to the video and as well as for your learnings as well. Okay, let's say I wanted to copy this particular color, right, for whole thing. Let's say I'm just having let's say this is not working. Let's say this value is not working for me, so maybe just go to the recent color and change the color background. Right, this is done now. Just go over here, just change here, go here and change this color. It is getting changed, right? So whatever the colors that you will be gonna see, that try to explore that stuff. Like let's say I wanted to have this chart title, data labels. I want this as well, data labels I want. Let's say I don't want this particular product category. So if you delete this product category, all this get messed up. Okay, so that is what I wanted to say it. So you can just check it out like this: designing, formatting. Let's say there is a power chart, analyze, design. See here, there are a lot of things that you can explore altogether, right? See, this is another 1P design, format. Just go to format. Here, just go here. Okay, format it, design, go to design, power pivot. So there are a lot of aspects that you can just write it out, like you wanted to change the quick layouts, certain things you can see here. Alright, so that is what I wanted to say here. Okay. See, if you just click on this, you will get lot of option here. So there is a color, okay, there is a transparency level. Let's say you wanted to change a color, you can just change it here. Dash type, let's say you want it to be this one, dashed dots, you can just change that to. So then you wanted to have a smooth line, you can do that as well. Right, so these are the quick things that you can explore it. Okay, lot of aspects you can just do that, filter it. Like let's say you wanted to have a category 1, let's say you wanted to change a color name, color you need to change, so let's change to black, white, gray. So you want this is also done. So this is all about this particular video, folks. In the next video we'll be going to discuss all about it to depth, like how you can dynamically change the values, how we can add a slicer, all about it. So this video was only for demonstrating purpose, like how things you can get right, lot of add on to that. So that's it about this particular video, folks. In the next video we'll get back and show you the lot more cool sense and cool aspects. Okay, that's all about this video, folks. If you like this particular video, hit like and share and subscribe to my channel.